Work at home distributors wanted. Get paid to watch, share, and give away free trials of our global entertainment app. Possible to earn $100 to $1,000 a day on autopilot. When you become an independent home-based distributor, you can make unlimited $100 commissions for every free 48-hour trial you give away. How many free trials could you give away every day? Here are just a few profit-generating benefits we offer our distributors. An automated turnkey profit opportunity where all you have to do is give away free trials of the live entertainment app, then let our system do the selling for you. A powerful compensation plan that pays you unlimited $100 commissions on autopilot. Market this business globally, any country, most languages. Crypto friendly. Those who do not have credit cards can pay you with cryptocurrency. Wholesale pricing where you set your prices for your subscribers. Member-to-member payment system with your payment links. Subscribers pay you directly. Your own Sizzle call phone number with email notifications. When prospects call your Sizzle call number, you will receive an email with their callback number. If you are outside the USA, here's the perfect chance to tap into the American market. Go ahead and call this number to see how it works. You will be assigned a number like the one above, but programmed just for you. A custom domain name URL redirected to your specially coded lead capture page. A auto lead generation system that generates unlimited new subscribers just for you. Downline mailer to email your referrals daily. Downline builder where you replace our links with yours. Autoresponder follow-up sequence for your prospects done for you. Pre-made banners, solo ads, text ads, and lead capture pages. Pre-made templates for business cards, postcards, tear-off Sizzle call number flyers. Now these are perfect for laundromats, mailers, handouts, local networking events, etc. And much, much more, such as a Facebook group for training, support, and discussion. Your own Facebook group with your domain name and Sizzle call number. Yes, I will make a video just like this one for you, but with your Sizzle call number and custom domain name in your video. I will then post your video in the Facebook group I make just for you, so you can share it throughout Facebook and the internet. To learn more about becoming an independent home-based distributor, scroll down into the description of this video and click through on the links provided. Get paid to binge watch movies and TV shows with me, Harvey the Silver Fox. Okay, you know what to do. I'll be waiting for you inside to help build your new work-at-home, very profitable business, giving away free trials of our live entertainment app.